For centuries, humans fought to survive without food, but today, the problem has flipped. More people suffer from diseases related to overeating than starvation, obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. So how might fasting help? When you fast, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it starts burning stored fat for energy instead of relying on glucose. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can reduce body weight, and it can also boost metabolism by increasing norepinephrine, a hormone that enhances the overall rate of fat reduction in the body. And it's also been shown that after 16 hours of fasting, your body starts burning fat instead of sugar. Insulin level drops and your cells begin repairing themselves. 24 hours in, autophagy kicks in. This is your body's self-cleaning mode, getting rid of damaged cells and lets your body break down and reuse old cells part for better efficiency in the body. Studies have shown that fasting may reduce blood pressure, LDL cholesterol, and insulin resistance, lowering the risk of heart disease. It's also been shown that brain function and mental clarity might be increased during after fasting due to brain-derived neurotropic factors B, D, and F, a protein linked to memory, learning, and mental sharpness. It might also be emerging research suggests that fasting might help the immune system better fight off cancer in combination with chemotherapy. Not only improves your life in every metric, fasting can also improve your self-control and emotional benefits. Studies have shown that fasting might improve impulse control, reduce emotional eating, and increase willpower. Imagine mastering your cravings instead of being controlled by them. Breaking the cycle of overeating, fasting might reset hunger hormones like ghrelin, making you less likely to overeat when you do eat. Did you know that some of the lowest cancer rates in the world are found in the Middle East? During fasting, you're lowering inflammation, improving your immune function, you're better metabolizing health, reducing obesity and diabetes risk, and you might have a little extra protection if you have cancer due to fasting and your body eating itself. My experience with fasting, I've been fasting 1 day a week for 2 years now, and to be honest, I feel awesome. I can highly recommend fasting. Obviously, check with your doctor, but not only do you save money by fasting, but you also learn to greatly appreciate the food you have, and you reduce waste, you improve your inflammation, you improve everything about you, and it's tremendously awesome. So here are the sources. Please look at them and do your own research as well. Hope you've enjoyed. Take care.